Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggless croissants using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring your butter is cold and high quality for the best lamination. We will focus on simple substitutions to achieve that classic croissant flakiness and rich taste without any eggs. This approach simplifies the process, making it achievable for home bakers to enjoy fresh, warm croissants. For the signature golden sheen, we will use a simple wash of plant-based milk, like almond or oat, combined with a touch of maple syrup. This mixture provides a beautiful caramelization during baking. Inside the dough, the absence of eggs means we rely more on strong flour and careful lamination to build structure. Some recipes might suggest a small amount of flaxseed meal or applesauce for added moisture, but often, careful handling of the dough is key. Begin by mixing your dry ingredients with cold water and yeast to form a basic dough, then let it rest. The magic happens during lamination, where a generous block of very cold butter is encased within the dough. You will perform 3 distinct folds, also known as turns, each followed by a 30-minute chilling period. This process creates hundreds of thin layers, crucial for the croissant's characteristic airy texture and crisp exterior. After lamination, roll your dough to about 3 millimeters thick and cut it into long triangles. Carefully roll each triangle from the wide base towards the point, creating the classic crescent shape. Next, proof your shaped croissants in a warm, humid environment for 2 to 3 hours until they are visibly puffy. Finally, bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, achieving a beautiful golden brown color and an incredibly flaky texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.